The cleansing action of soap is determined by its polar and non-polar structure in conjunction with an application of solubility principles, which results from their ability to lower the surface tension of water, to emulsify oil or grease, and to hold them in suspension in water. Most of the dirt is oily in nature, and oil does not dissolve in water. The soap cleanses the dirt by the process of micelle formation. When the soaps are dissolved in water, its molecules start aggregating around the dirt molecule with a hydrophilic head outwards and the hydrophobic tail towards the dirt molecule. The soap molecule in form of micelles can clean the dirt, as the dirt is now trapped within the micelle. The micelles form to make a colloidal solution with the water. When surface is washed with soap and water, the hydrophilic end gets attracted by water, and the dirt molecule that has been trapped inside the micelle gets washed away with the water. The coronavirus has a core of genetic material surrounded by an outer sheath that's a double layer of fats with protein spikes. This fatty sheath is water-repelling and protects the virus. With the formation of water-attracting heads on the outside and the water-repelling tails on the inside that can dissolve fats, micelles become a lethal bundle of cells in water. When they encounter coronaviruses, the water-repelling tails are attracted to the fatty envelope around the virus and insert themselves into the protective layer. The virus then shatters and is doomed down the drain.